Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a look at the portfolio section of the TradeSmart 2.0 mobile application. To view your portfolio section, you can simply click on the portfolio tab in the menu at the bottom of your screen. Under the portfolio section, you can view two major headings, positions and holdings. Let's have a look at the positions tab first. The Positions tab shows all the open positions of derivatives and the trades taken for the day. It can also show you the information for realized profit and loss and unrealized profit and loss. The realized profit and loss is the amount for all the closed positions, and the unrealized profit and loss is the value for the open positions which are yet to be closed. To view details of a particular open position, you can simply click on the desired stock. For example, I am going to view the details for Yes Bank EQ. I can click on the stock and scroll up to view the desired details. The last traded price for this stock, as well as the buy quantity, the sell quantity, buy value, buy price and sell price can be seen. You can also view the top 5 buyers and sellers of this stock using the market depth section. You can also perform 3 actions while still being on the same screen. Add allows you to buy more quantities of this stock. Exit allows you to square off the existing quantities of this stock. And Convert will help you convert any intraday orders to delivery orders or vice versa. This is applicable only for equity orders. In case of derivative orders, you can convert your intraday positions to overnight and vice versa. My Yes Bank EQ is an intraday order, and using the convert option, I'll be converting it into delivery. It has been successfully converted into a delivery position. Now, let's have a look at the Holdings tab. Under the Holdings tab, you can view 4 main informations. 1. Invested amount. Invested amount means the total investment value of holdings. Second, the valuation amount. The valuation amount shows the current valuation of the stock based on the last traded price. Third, the total profit and loss. The total profit and loss is based on the invested value. Fourth, day's profit and loss. Day's profit and loss is based on the difference of previous closing price and the last traded price. To view details of any current holdings, you can simply click on the desired stock. For example, let's have a look at the Axis Bank EQ holding. I'll simply scroll up and view the desired details. You can view the last traded price, the invested amount, the valuation amount, and the day profit and loss of this stock. You can also have a look at the top 5 buyers and sellers using the market depth section. Using the add option, you can add more quantities of this desired holding. And using the exit option, you can square off your existing holdings. Hope this tutorial was of help. Thank you so much for watching this video.